Do you know the 10 facts about the largest aircraft that landed at the Kotoka International Airport in Ghana? Okay, let me educate you about these 10 wonderful facts about the Antonov An-225 Mriya aircraft. Number 1, the unit price of the Antonov An-225 Mriya aircraft is between 200 million to 250 million US dollars. 2, the term Mriya refers to the word dream or inspiration in English. It is bigger than the Airbus A380 and the Boeing 747 freighter. 4, the aircraft can fly at a maximum speed of 850 km per hour. 5, it requires 6 crew members on board, i.e. the pilot, co-pilot, navigator, an engineer, and a radio operator. 6, it is designed as a strategic airlift cargo freighter. 7, it has a passenger capacity of 70. 8, it was designed by the Antonov Design Bureau in the 1980s during the Soviet Union era. 9, it is the only one in operation at the moment. And 10, the last but not the least, the Antonov An-225 Mriya is the heaviest fixed-wing aircraft in the world to carry 640 tons of cargo. These are the 10 facts about the largest aircraft to have landed at the Kotoka International Airport in Ghana.